Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the Samsung A72 and removing the case, SIM tray, and micro SD. This prevents power draw and seals being trapped. Next, use a lint-free cloth to gently dry the charging port and speaker grill, because visible moisture and debris both trigger the sensor. Once done, visually inspect the USB-C port and any visible connectors. If you see lint or corrosion, carefully remove it with a toothpick or soft brush, making sure not to push debris further in. Now focus on drying and resetting the moisture detector. Place the phone in a well-ventilated, dry spot and insert silica gel packets around it. If you lack gel, surround the device with uncooked rice in a sealed bag as a temporary absorbent. Avoid ovens or hair dryers because heat above 50 degrees Celsius can damage seals. Once it is dried for 6 to 12 hours, tap the phone gently with the screen down to help dislodge trapped water. Then reconnect only after ports feel dry to the touch. Finally, verify the issue is resolved by using a known good USB-C cable and charger. Different cables help rule out accessory faults. If charging still fails, back up your data right away and perform a soft reset. If that does not clear the moisture-detected message, consider a factory reset only after backup because software can occasionally lock the sensor. If the message continues or you spot corrosion, seek an authorized service center because replacing the moisture sensor or port requires professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.